Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the probate process. Probate, in California at least, is the process by which people can access the assets of a deceased person to organize them and prepare them for distribution. And this is obviously a very complex process. I wanted to just touch on a few of the key issues at the outset. And the first most important key issue is determining whether or not a probate is necessary. And a probate is necessary in California if over $150,000 worth of probatable assets exist. So obviously the key question there is what's probatable. So that's something that's in the individual's name and there's no joint tenants or beneficiary listing or anything like that. So let's dive into that a little bit deeper. First, in the individual's name. What that means is that if it's named in the trust, i.e. Joe Smith is trustee of the Joe Smith Trust, then that would not count in the $150,000 bright line limit. The second issue I noted there is a joint ownership or joint tenancy. So if Joe Smith owns a house or is on a bank account with Jane Jones, and one of those two people die, the other person becomes the owner, and that doesn't count towards the $150,000 limit. And then lastly is a beneficiary listing. So oftentimes certain accounts, such as an IRA, 401k, or a life insurance policy, have a beneficiary listing, and what that means is that the assets just get distributed directly to the listed person, even if the will says something totally different. And certain bank accounts can sometimes have listings on them also, and starting in 2016, January 1, you can actually set up deeds that transfer houses to individual beneficiaries on the passing of the owner. That's complex, and I don't necessarily recommend it in all situations, but if these assets are set up with one of these joint ownership, beneficiary listing, or in the name of the trust, they wouldn't necessarily count towards the $150,000 limit, and a probate may not be necessary. So we'll talk in future installments about some other issues relating to probates. Thank you.